Looking to upgrade your Toyota Tundra with the perfect running boards? Whether you want a rugged off-road look or a sleek step-up in style, we've got you covered. Stick around as we break down the best Toyota Tundra running boards to take your truck to the next level. Let's dive in. Kicking off our list at number 5 are the AutoBull running boards, built specifically for the 2022 to 2025 Toyota Tundra crewmax cab. These running boards aren't just about looks, they offer solid protection against scratches, dings, and road debris while adding a sleek, modern touch to your truck's exterior. Constructed with 2 layers of coated carbon steel, they're designed to endure all kinds of weather conditions, ensuring durability and long-lasting performance. Installation is a breeze, fitting perfectly without any hassle, and once in place, they provide a sturdy, comfortable step-up, making getting in and out of your Tundra effortless. If you want reliability, style, and easy setup, the AutoBull running boards are a fantastic choice. At number 4, we have the SMANOW running boards, a perfect blend of strength and style for the 2022 to 2025 Toyota Tundra crewmax. Crafted from heavy-duty steel with a textured powder-coated finish, these boards are built to last while adding a rugged look to your truck. The durable, non-slip steps offer added protection and stability, making entry and exit smooth and secure. Installation is a breeze, and once in place, they fit like a glove, enhancing the truck's overall appearance. Users rave about their sturdy build, lightweight design, and fantastic fit and finish. If you're after a sleek upgrade that delivers both form and function, the SMANOW running boards are a rock-solid choice. Coming in at number 3 are the YITAMOTOR running boards, designed for the 2007 to 2021 Toyota Tundra double cab. These boards combine sleek design with rugged performance, featuring a sturdy aluminum alloy construction that's wear-resistant, corrosion-resistant, and built to handle tough weather conditions. The slip-resistant aluminum side steps, covered in high-quality ABS plastic, provide a secure grip, ensuring a safe and comfortable step every time. Installation is quick and hassle-free, with a perfect fit that instantly elevates your truck's look. Users love the solid feel, stylish design, and unbeatable value for the price. If you're after reliable performance with a sharp aesthetic, the YITAMOTOR running boards are a fantastic upgrade. At number 2, we've got the OTHOWE running boards, tailor-made for the 2022 to 2025 Toyota Tundra crewmax cab. These boards don't just look sharp, they're designed for maximum convenience and security. The anti-slip plastic step pads provide solid footing, while the unique slider design allows you to adjust the boards forward or backward for a custom fit, making installation a breeze. Once in place, they offer excellent stability and durability, delivering a sturdy step every time. Users praise the sleek look, rock-solid performance, and unbeatable value. If you're looking for running boards that combine smart design, safety, and style, OTHOWE is a top-tier pick. Finally, at number 1, we have the APS black running boards, the perfect blend of sleek design and rock-solid performance for the 2007 to 2021 Toyota Tundra crewmax. These boards feature tapered ends that sit close to the vehicle, giving your truck a clean, classic look while offering 6-inch wide steps fully covered in anti-slip tread for secure footing. Built to last, they provide superior rust and corrosion protection, making them a reliable companion for years to come. Installation is quick and effortless, with a perfect fit that users rave about. The sturdy construction, sharp black finish, and flawless integration with the Tundra make these running boards the ultimate upgrade. If you want top-notch durability, style, and ease of installation, the APS black running boards take the crown.